Are you searching for a way to create unlimited AI videos for free, without any restrictions? In this video, I'll show you how to use a powerful AI video generator at no cost, no need for multiple email accounts or dealing with trial limitations. Follow this step-by-step guide to effortlessly generate high-quality AI videos in just a few simple steps, making AI video creation easy and accessible for everyone. The method I am going to tell you in this video is the best way to generate AI videos for free. In fact, you can create a full-length story-based film with it. So let's get started. Before further proceeding, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Step 1. First of all, we will prepare a script for our video, for which we will take help from ChatGPT. For this, we will enter the prompt of our story in the prompt box of ChatGPT. I have pasted this prompt: write a 200-word short story of a brave boxer from Britain. Now that ChatGPT has prepared the story for us, according to our prompt, we will now seek help from ChatGPT to create images prompt for different scenes for our story. For this purpose, we will give this prompt to ChatGPT, divide the entire script into different scenes and write image prompts for every scene with character consistency. As you can see, the script that was created above, now it has been divided into different scenes. ChatGPT has given us an image prompt of each scene. Step 2. In this second step, we will generate images according to our story, for which we will use Meta AI. After clicking on the link given in the video description below, the Meta AI website will open in front of you. Here, you first need to log in. Now we will generate the images from Meta AI, for which we will have to copy our prompts that we created from ChatGPT, as I copy the first prompt from there and paste it into this prompt box. Now hit the Enter button. And in a few seconds it will generate 4 images according to our prompt. Just look at that, absolutely 4 best high-quality images it has generated. You can select whichever of these 4 images you like from here, and if you don't like these 4 images, you can regenerate these images by clicking on this button, and you can repeat this process as many times as you want because this is a completely free image and video generator. Now, just as we generated images for our first scene, we will generate images for all of our scenes one by one using Meta AI. Step 3. In this third step, we will animate all of our images that we have created with Meta AI, using Meta AI that too for free. For example, out of these 4 images for the first scene, I think these images are the best, so to animate it, I will click on the animate button above, and it will convert the still image into an animation in a few seconds. You can see that our image has been converted into an animation in a few seconds. If you don't like any of the animation, you can click on the regenerate button, and it will create a new animation for you. To download the video, you can click on this arrow button, and get it absolutely free from here. Similarly, we will convert all the images of our scenes into an animation one by one. Once we have converted all our images to video and downloaded it, we will now move on to our fourth step. Step 4. In this fourth step, let's come to AI voiceover. For this purpose, we will use a free AI voice generator called Speechma, which is 100% free and unlimited. From this website you can generate quality voice for your story in any language. It has a vast library of over 400 plus high-fidelity voices, each with unique personalities and accents, allowing you to find the perfect voice for your videos. To use it, we first need to enter our text in the input field. There is a maximum of 2,000 characters to enter at a time. After that, we will go to the voice selection and select the gender. Then we will come to the language section, and from the numerous languages available here, we will select the language in which we want to generate the AI voice. Next, we will choose the best voice for our story from among the many AI voices available here. After selecting the voice, we will click on the Generate Audio button, and it will convert your text into AI voiceover. By clicking on the Download button, we will save it to our hard disk. Step 5. In this final step, by going into any free video editor. We will combine all of our clips into a complete video. And by arranging these clips into a timeline, adding transactions, and even adding voiceover, we will create a complete story video. After everything is done, export the video.
A young Ethan Carter, around 12 years old, training in a small, dimly lit boxing gym in Manchester. His clothes are slightly worn, and his face shows determination. His trainer, an older man with a rugged look, watches as Ethan punches a heavy bag. Ethan, now a grown man in peak athletic condition, steps into Wembley Arena. The stadium lights are bright, and the crowd is a mix of excited and anxious spectators. Across the ring stands Ivan Petrov, a massive Russian fighter with a cold, intimidating stare. Ethan is battered but still standing. Blood drips from a cut above his eye. Ivan delivers a powerful punch, but Ethan narrowly dodges. The two fighters are locked in an intense exchange of punches under the bright lights. Ethan sees an opening and lands a devastating uppercut. Ivan's face distorts with pain as he stumbles backward, his massive frame collapsing onto the canvas. The referee begins the countdown. Ethan, exhausted but victorious, raises his fists in the air as the referee declares him the winner. The crowd erupts in cheers. A championship belt is wrapped around his waist, and he looks up, whispering a tribute to his late mother.
I hope you find this tutorial useful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.